Those young boys, those young boys, those young boys need their nap. Need their nap.
Well, Deb, I better get going here. Michael is getting fidgety and needs to take his nap.
Michael?
Yes, he needs to take his nap.
To take his nap, you say?
So I better get going. Michael needs to take his nap.
Those young boys need their nap.
I'll call you the same time tomorrow.
All that running around and jumping. Those young boys need their nap. They need their nap.
Yes, they do.
They need their nap.
Yes, they do. The naps is what they need.
Those young boys need their nap.
And so I'll call you tomorrow, Deb.
I bet he used so much energy. Those young boys need their nap. Digging that garden and playing and jumping. He'll need a nap.
Yes.
Won't he, Sam?
Yes, Deb. It's probably the jumping that got him. He'll need a nap so he's not cross. So I'll call you tomorrow.
Those young boys need their nap.
Call you tomorrow, Deb.
Call me tomorrow.
That's right, tomorrow, the same time.
Those young boys need their nap.